So Kevin just put the the awning out, and we both noticed
Walnuts.
walnuts. We think that's funny because this camper has been parked underneath a walnut tree and they have been hitting the top of the camper, which is making me cringe. I hate it, but that's where it was parked, and until we moved it, we had to suffer through it. But we were trying to pull out on the road and kind of make it turn fast so that they would all go sliding off the roof, but we still brought one with us.
We brought a ton with us.
We brought a ton with us?
Oh, well, you can't see it like this, but if you zoom in, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then across the back there's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that's a lot of walnuts. This is what happens when you park underneath a walnut tree. Ugh. I have a whole branch. You should see it from up here. And then, so you'll be able to see this. I don't know what happened here. Soap, water. Seriously, watch that video. Oh, the slip. This is just... The one time you're camping that you want it to rain. This is gross. I don't even know.
Okay, don't fling. Oh. Oh.
Oh shit. Sorry. Darn it all. How is this? Oh, what?
Sorry, but your face while you're doing this whole thing is priceless. Can you be any more disgusted?
It's disgusting. Can you do me a favor
Yeah.
and like take this broom to one of the
Wash.
faucets and rinse it off so I can do something with this, because I'm just making it worse now.
Okay.
Oh.
Geez, we've even had walnuts come and hit the side of the camper and give it a nice little smear. Poor baby's been rode hard and put away wet this summer. She's gonna need a wicked, wicked cleaning.